So since I last talked about this stock, it has already moved up by 60 or 70%, and I would definitely suggest you to check out my previous video along with this video, where we are going to discuss about the fresh breakout that has happened and the trend ahead. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Time Technologies. And if you can see the chart of Time Technologies, let me show you that what I'm talking about. So here, so if I draw a line like this, then you can see that this level, specifically this level, yep. So here we have this level, $2. This was your resistance level, and now a breakout has happened above that. So in this case, what we are going to discuss is about the important support and level that you need to know about. And this chart is for long term, so if you are looking here, so the trend should be for couple of weeks to months. It should not be for 2 days or 1 month. It should be for couple of weeks to couple of months. Now in this case, the first thing you need to understand is, now because of sharp breakout has happened, so and that's a 1 day move. Now here $2, this level will definitely play a major role, and if the stock by any chance falls below $2, then in that case one should not carry any further position on the downside. Now because a trend breakout has already happened, okay, because a trend breakout has already happened, in that case, so the levels which we are going to look at are something like this. And so rather than this, there are 3 levels actually. So here we have, so these are the 3 levels which you need to look at. So the first will be $4.2, which is your immediate target, and the stock has already tested and falls down. So this will again be your first target, but the target in the long term could extend from $7.1, and it could extend up to $9.6 on the upside. So these are the bigger targets that we are looking on the long term or on the upside. Now first thing, you should not hold any trade below $2. Second thing, if the stock uh, falls below $2, so there is no point carrying any trade. So this is very common, and I'm reiterating because people are not disciplined enough. Now on the upside, because the stock is currently moving in between $2 and 4.2, so let's see how the trend will behave or react. And once the stock moves above 4.2, then you have 7.1 and 9.6 respectively. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.